Cherylin.
Hello, cherry learners. Do you know where most of the oxygen comes from? When we think about oxygen production, we often imagine the Amazon rainforest or other vast forests around the world. But surprisingly, most of the oxygen we breathe doesn't come from land, it comes from the ocean. The ocean is home to trillions of tiny organisms called phytoplankton. These microscopic plants float near the ocean's surface, where sunlight is most abundant. They might be small, but collectively, they play a huge role in keeping our planet's atmosphere filled with oxygen. Like plants on land, phytoplankton use a process called photosynthesis to create energy. They take in sunlight and carbon dioxide, and in return, they release oxygen. This oxygen gets mixed into the ocean and eventually released into the atmosphere. Scientists estimate that phytoplankton produce at least 50% of the world's oxygen. But phytoplankton don't just produce oxygen, they also play a major role in removing carbon dioxide from the atmosphere. Phytoplankton absorb about 2 billion tons of carbon dioxide annually. During photosynthesis, phytoplankton absorb carbon dioxide, which helps regulate global temperatures and fight climate change. Unfortunately, this incredible oxygen production system is under threat. Climate change, pollution, and ocean acidification are all affecting the health and population of phytoplankton. Rising sea temperatures, for example, disrupt their ability to thrive, which could have a direct impact on the amount of oxygen produced in the future. Protecting the ocean isn't just about saving marine life, it's about saving ourselves. The health of the ocean is directly tied to the air we breathe. By protecting marine ecosystems and reducing carbon emissions, we can help preserve the balance that allows phytoplankton to continue their oxygen-making magic. So next time you breathe in, remember, you owe that breath to the ocean. Let's work together to keep our oceans healthy and thriving for generations to come. Thanks for watching. Let's meet in next video.